installing the Nittos 555 R2 drag radials, however you want to call them. But that's what we're installing today, so I'm driving on the road. So, yeah, it took me a minute to find these tires. Not going to lie to you guys. I ordered twice. One was delayed. And I would tell you guys, be careful. Because when you do order certain things, especially these tires, I don't know, maybe it's just these tires, I don't know. They tell you, hey, we have them in stock, right? So I ordered. Come to find out, well, it might take about a month or two to get there. What the hell? It says it in stock. So please be careful. Do your due diligence by looking it up, calling the company, speaking to them directly, and then go from there. But yes, I'm super excited to get these put on tonight. We're supposed to go to the drag strip, but we're out here in Florida, so you know, the weather is very unpredictable. So it may rain, so we may not be able to try them out today. But all in all, I will get them installed and let you guys know the difference, man. See you soon. All right, guys, these are the ones we're taking off. These, what are these? 305s, 3520s. Take a look at it from the rear. Drop it down. Hopefully you can see that, how wide these tires are on this one. So 3 of 15 should sit just right. All right, guys, here we go. We didn't want to put these obviously in my car. Nah, I'm good. These bad boys are girthy, boy. Woo. So guys, stay tuned. Can't wait to see the finished product of the install. We'll go from there. All right, guys, all done. So let's see what she's looking like. I see that meat in the back there, boy. Traction ready to go. Definitely thick. Woo! Yeah, M315 sitting, baby. Let's see how we get a good view. I can't see from here. Hope you guys can. Man, definitely excited about the track. If it rains tonight, then we won't go. But if it does, y'all see that video tonight attached with this one. Whew. What's up, guys? So, sorry, I left the shop. Couldn't really get the driving away and stuff. But the tires are on. Like I said, I have the Nittos 555 R2 drag radials. The ride smooth. See, I didn't need alignment. Everything's straight. Right now, I'm on my way to the drag strip to see how it works. I haven't done really too much on the road because it's been hot on this road. Police are everywhere. But if I can find a little clear path, I'm gonna see if it locks in. We got a little clear road coming over here. It damn sure locks in, buddies. Woo! I was debating if we're gonna have more content for this particular video, but we are. Cut the drag strip, cleared up in Florida, so it's not raining. And yet, oh, I do have my business shirt on. Look, hey, my king, baby. Just got these in yesterday. So, oh, you would walk out in front of the car. I swear, son. Don't even look at the car. Just man, whatever. Anyway, but yeah, man. So we got the video in. Super excited. Hit a groove in the road, car like that. So that's in alignment, it's fine. What's going on, buddy? But yeah, man. So y'all stay tuned. Sorry, I was mumbling. I'm trying to figure out what's going on, why I did that, but it's all good. We almost to the track. Stay tuned for the content. Second time on the track. Let's see if we do better than the last 12 I did last time. Hey guys, just got to the track. Got the check in. It is not as packed as it was last time at all. Perfect. Get this checked in and we'll be right back to you. So this is a little different. So we checked in. So as you already know, you saw the last video how we do this. So I got my guys over here chilling in their truck in this car. So I'm just gonna pull up, park, pop the hood up, relax and chill. Big game time soon, buddies. So you're gonna go down with 1920. Mr. Dennis car here, buddy. been teaching me how to drive. No go?
What's that?
I said no go?
No.
Yeah.
Right as the fucking rain came, so.
Yeah. So how we get out? Just.
Yeah, you should just back out. I think they're probably gonna wait on it, so I don't think they're canceling it yet.
Oh. All right. Well, this happened, guys, so I'm about to get on, and it starts to rain cats and dogs. Yep. I was trying to get back for that mess up I had earlier. Damn, that pissed me off. So I was driving. I'm probably going to still show you the video. It's all good. And I smacked it into manual. Damn.